Mona, good morning.
Good morning.
Very good. Can you please identify those things?
Okay.
Yeah, one by one. What is that?
It's
What is that?
it's
Is it badam?
badam.
Very good. Keep it in the same place. Very good. Next one. What is that?
It's
Dates. Very good.
Dates.
Dates. Very good. The third one.
cashew.
Wow, wonderful.
Sugar.
Sugar. Wow, so sweet. Urad dal.
Potato.
Very good. Flat rice.
Fried rice.
Very good.
Rice.
Very good. Wonderful. Kismis.
Kismis.
Very good. Dal.
Tower.
Very good. Groundnut.
Groundnut.
Very good. Can you try once again? Can you try again?
Okay.
Okay. Badam.
Badam.
Very good. Dates.
Date.
Very good.
Cashew.
Very good.
Sugar.
Excellent. Urad dal.
Potato.
Great job. Next one.
Fried rice.
Wow, wonderful, my baby.
Rice.
Very good.
That's
Kismis.
kismis.
Very good. Dal.
Tower.
Very good.
Walnut.
Groundnut. Wonderful, baby. You have done a good job. Clap yourself. Appreciate yourself. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Show your two thumbs. Very good.